This is our Iiris 36 halogenerator. It's constructed out of stainless steel, and it has 3 main parts: the feeder, the mill where the pharmaceutical grade salt is pulverized, and the fan that blows it into the room. So the generator has a 2-year warranty on everything, but the motor, you will get a spare one when you purchase the generator, and you would replace it probably every 2 years anyway, but it's $80. So all these parts are easily replaceable. If you had a problem, even during a session, it would take you about 3 minutes to change out, and you'd be back up and running. And as a salt therapy facility owner, that's so important. You never want to have clients in the room and not be able to get the generator back up and running within 3 minutes. This generator it's fully customizable. So you can change the duration of the session, you can change the particle size, you can change the concentration easily with the control buttons on the front. And everything is wired to the generator. It controls the exhaust fan, it controls the AC damper. So really important to have your generator set up properly, and I will work with you on that when you purchase a generator through us.